Alright, quick check-in before anything else. If you're here, it's probably because something about your current setup has been quietly bothering you. And that's exactly where Skytech Azure 3 enters your life. This machine is for the kind of person who doesn't chase specs for bragging rights. You care about how it feels when everything just works, instantly, every time you sit down. You notice latency. You notice dips. You notice when power feels restrained. And you're done pretending that's fine. Before you go any further, take a second and check the current price and stock. Systems built like this don't stay predictable for long, and you don't want to circle back later wondering why it suddenly jumped. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old rig hesitated. Maybe it was a stutter mid-match. Maybe a render that dragged on longer than your patience. Or maybe you realized you were lowering settings without even thinking about it. That's the moment you outgrow compromise, even if you don't say it out loud. Once you switch, the relief is immediate. You stop thinking about what your system can handle and start focusing on what you want to do. Games feel locked in, smooth and confident. Editing timelines glide instead of dragging. Multitasking stops feeling like a gamble. You're no longer managing limitations. You're just moving. Picture late-night gaming sessions where frames stay consistent no matter how chaotic things get. Heavy creative workloads that don't slow you down when inspiration hits. Even everyday use feels different, because responsiveness becomes the default. It's not about numbers anymore. It's about the calm confidence that nothing you throw at it will shake it. Don't wait around for stock swings or weird price jumps. High-end systems like this tend to disappear when people finally realize what they're missing. If part of you is wondering whether this might be overkill, that doubt fades fast. What feels powerful on day one becomes comfortable by week 2, and indispensable after that. The surprise is how balanced everything feels. Power without noise, speed without instability, strength without stress. Owning something built on this level changes how you approach your work and play. You sit differently. You expect more. And every time you look at something weaker, you feel that pull back, knowing you'd be settling again. Everything feels instantly responsive. Heavy tasks stop feeling heavy. Gaming feels locked and confident. Creative flow stays uninterrupted. You feel proud every time it powers on. It's not the smallest case around. You'll want the space to show it off at some point. You stop comparing spreadsheets and realize you already know which one you want. Don't turn this into one of those upgrades you delay and quietly regret later. Check the price, check availability, and trust that instinct telling you it's time. When you're ready to stop negotiating with your hardware, Skytech Azure 3 is waiting.